Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can make money with TikTok with so simple method. You have to just repeat and copy and paste what I do here. So if you want to make money really quick with, I don't know, maybe affiliate marketing or whatever idea you have, maybe selling your own products or selling other people's products, at least you can get scheduled your day just like that. For example, these leads are coming from some of them are coming from TikTok, and maybe if you see this person, Tanner is from Elite CEOs, and I had the call with him in 15 minutes, which is pretty amazing. I just finished the recent call, and in between time, I'm trying to make this video for you. So what happens is that you need just new TikTok account, and you just need a bot called Ninja bot. It's I don't know what it's called. Maybe we call it the Ninja bot. Maybe it's called like Ninja TikTok or whatever. But you have to download it. And what happens is that okay, if you need step by step guide, you can go to my website on hatipet.com here, and you can click on Make Money with TikTok, or you can just click the link below this video and just enter your email and grab the step-by-step method of writing of what I write in order to get the traffic on TikTok, and after getting traffic, how making sales. And about getting back to this TikTok strategy bot. This is the bot that I was talking about. The bot is working while I work on myself. It is working in background. This is my new account on TikTok. And what happens is that every every minute this bot is going on money making method or whatever the tag I use. For example, if I sell, let's say, the baby products, I would use the new hashtag like moms or moms working from home or busy moms. So I would target moms and I would sell them the baby products. Let's say if I sell, for example, baby products. And what happens is that this bot is going, doing everything like delays and opening the pages and so on, and it actually write comments for me. As you see, it is on this 19 comment, and soon it will finish the commenting. And let me show you the process. If you see right here, it will type, okay, typed, and it dropped. As you see, there is not spammy comments. I just say, hey, your account is amazing. Let's do some kind of collaboration, or maybe you can go on my website, and they go on your account, they see your website, and they uh, potentially go to your website and make sales and so on. I mean, buying something from you so you can make sales and so on. The type of comments that you can use, let me quick stop this for you and open the comments that I use. The comments is like that, hey, your page is so unique. I know that you're Okay, let me edit it. Hey, your page is so unique. I know that you probably get lots of that kind of comments, but it's not a bot. It is real me. Haha, I've made 6,000 with TikTok and created a website to show you how you can too. Check my bio. And I actually promote this page that I showed you. It will help you a lot. You can once you submit your email, you can just start free trial. You don't have to pay anything. Just start free trial. I know that you will be amazed what you can achieve. So the limit of my 5-minute video is that I really wanted to show you the real method how it works in very short period of time. And one thing that I also suggest you is going and starting this in at finance or maybe self-help, self-improvement niche. And one last thing that I want to show you is that I have 50, well, already I was doing 50 $100 cash giveaway on my website. You can go here, you have different options to entry, and once you entry every week I give away $100. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you understand everything. If not, comment down below. I will answer it.